1:58 p.m. and we have a Coast Guard helicopter from North Carolina here on approach into Norwegian Breakaway to pick up a critically ill patient. About 1 hour ago, the captain made an announcement that there was a critically ill patient on board who would need to be medevaced, and that they were calling in a Coast Guard helicopter. The original estimated time of arrival was 30 minutes, but then we got updates from the captain that that time would be changing, and it was an additional 30 minutes before it has now arrived here on scene. And the helicopter is now hovering over the forward point of the ship, where there is a hoisting platform, also labeled as a winching platform. And we should see a rescue swimmer being deployed out of the helicopter down to the ship soon to evaluate the patient. And then the rescue swimmer will coordinate the evacuation, the hoisting of the patient into the helicopter, either using a basket or what they call a litter, depending on how mobile the patient is.